So ack, ack, back, like this. It's the same. Not black. So P sound per, right? Ack, pack. When you plus that together, backpack. Hi guys, today we're gonna learn vowel A. Do you guys remember when my sister teach you to learn ack? You remember ack? Guys, today we will learn Ack Words Family. So let's start now. Here, ack, ack, ack. So, B sound B and L sound L. B plus to L sound bl. Say with me again, guys. Bl. So, bl, ack, black. Do you know what black is? Black is color black. Black is like the marker here, black. Here, you can see the picture black. Here, you guys all see, right? A black shoe. So the black shoe is black. Here, black, 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 black. But shoe is not ack. So, let's go to the second one. Ack, ack, back. Here, back, 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 like this. Like here, you guys see? Back. When we stand here and we do this. Like that, like the little boy. And the little boy also have black shoe. Like this one. Bag. Ack, bag. But not black. Because we don't have L. See, no L. But that is a little bit of the same. Black, back. So this is L and nothing. Here, back, like I show you. So let's go to the third one. If you guys know what is this. And just look at a picture. So ack, ack, back, like this. It's the same. Not black. So P sound per, right? Ack, pack. When you plus that together, backpack. Here, backpack. You guys can see. But can you read this one? Yeah. Can you read it? If you cannot read it, repeat after me. Ack, back. Say with me again. Ack, back. And let's go to the another one. P sound P, right? Ack, pack. So pack and ack. Back, pack. Say with me again. Back, pack. Let's go to the fourth one. S sound N, us. Again, S sound S. N sound no. Do you guys know what the ABC is sound? When you guys remember when I taught you ABC sounds? So, S sound S and N sound N. S plus N sound sn. Ack, snack. Ack, snack. Repeat after me again. Ack, snack. Here, this is the picture snack. you guys see, and fruits and cookies and everything. Ack here, but it's the fifth one. But we don't have n, but it's a little bit of the same. You guys see? Here, it's snack. When we put n out, like snack. Here, snack. So, snack. And we put n out, snack. Snack. Oh, sack. When you put n back, snack. So this is called snack. Sack. Here, sack. Ack, sack. Here, sack. Do you guys know sack is? Sack is when you guys know that Santa Claus carry all the toys with him sack. Yeah, that's called sack. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button. See you next time, guys. The next time we will learn add. This is how we write add. So add is like this. We put a here, like this one, the same. A and D. Add. You learn with my sister Nana.